Alright, and turn the lights on, babe. Oh, they are on.
No, they're not all the way on.
Babe, turn them all the way on because we can't see out here.
I know.
The whole crew. Hola.
I'm gonna have to get undressed.
Alright. Nestor and Felicia. It's about fucking time y'all two are here. And this is the happy family. Ricky and Stacy. Zach. Chatteray, the demon. Tracy, who's about to slip inside? Wait a minute, Tracy. Let me give the camera back. And this is the slip inside. And then this is Juan. And now you gotta get Tracy.
And this is Erica. But you can't see your face.
Oh shit. Wait, go get him.
Alright.
Next one.
Get cool. Yo, watch that girl. I want that girl good.
Oh shit!
You gotta get the dog again.
I gotta go again.
That was not okay.
You got the tag stick right now.
Alright. No.
That was awesome.
I like the yellow one better.
Oh, shit.
Better one better. Alright, here we go.
Go, JC! Go, JC!
Get it, get it. And one.
Oh shit! Just a little cold! Alright. There we go.
Erica!
Freezing.
You going again?
Your shirt like a light skin color to dark skin, like you had leopard print real quick.
Dude, I don't know. That's pretty cold. Tracy, how did you just do that?
I think I waited until I got to the thing to fall.
That was awesome on her knee, and then right when she hit the end of it, face first into the
Maybe you see that? Because I'm like deathly afraid of